Hey YouTube fans, welcome to my channel. It's called MT Production. This is my first ever YouTube channel. So I've got this product that I've purchased recently. So I wanted to show you. It's called Ampow. It's a sports Bluetooth headphones. This is the product I've just recently bought. It's a waterproof and a wireless connections and a carry-on case. So let's get this show on the roll. So you can see it has a nice packaging to it. It's a red and black design. This is the box. So when you open this box, it's got the Ampow case and it's got the instruction guides. So what the Ampow, what range of products they do and what sort of headphones they have. So they've got all wide range of headphones. You've got the instruction manuals for the headphones on what you get in the case, where everything is, how to pair up the headphones, and are they suitable for other Bluetooth device. So I'm using an iPhone 6s Plus, so I hope this is compatible to my iPhones. Let's open this case up. So you can see it has a nice black and red case. When you open it up, you've got the headphones, the standard, and you've got all the additional items. That is, you've got different type of ear plugs for ear tips. Sorry, you've got the other different type of ear tips. You get two standard ear tips, and you get a USB connection. You got the standard USB and a micro USB, so you can charge your headphones up. You can see it comes in this standard. Let's undo this, and it's a nice black color and nice red Ampow logos. You've got the volume controls on this side. You've got the micro USB cable chargers on this side, and you've got the standard ear clips that is here. You've got the micro tips for your ears, and this is what the product is all about. Okay guys, we're going to connect this Bluetooth up. So the on and off button is right here. So you press this center button for it to highlight, and you hold it, and you can see the blue and red light flashing. So when you go into your phone, select Bluetooth and going to have your Bluetooth on, and now it will be searching for this device. So have it next to each other, and let's see if, there you go, it's picked it up. So you click on that and the lights will switch off. So the lights have switched off and that is connected. Now you can see I can control the volume controls from here. Let's get the music started.
Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, lean all in my bladder. Cheated on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, but riding in boobies. Cowboy hat from Gucci, rank. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You
Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing of this product. If you have any comments, please comment below, and also please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification. I hope you guys have had an enjoyable experience on my channel. This is first ever for me. If I have made any mistakes, please let me know because I'm new to this. So this is MT Production signing out. Have a peace out. Take care.